Let's start our first vlog for Azerbaijan, and here is me walking outside our home, going to the taxi to the airport. So we arrive at the airport, we check in and we get to the waiting lounge. Here's a random guy walking out. The morning looked really beautiful. Let's go to the plane and again, beautiful sights, beautiful airports. Actually my first time seeing this new airport, and everything looks really clean. The Abu Dhabi airport looks amazing, and everyone's going to the plane, and it looks really exciting. I'll also actually record my experience about Air Arabia. Again, for me, Air Arabia, it's been a long time since I went with them, but the planes look amazing from inside. The spaces are a bit short. That's a menu we had from which we could choose, and got into my seat and just waiting for everyone to settle to their seats so we can take off, and the plane gets ready to take off. Looks really exciting and amazing. I miss this moment. It was like the winters are just my favorite time of the year, so again, this is amazing for me. So one actually exciting thing, the plane, the flight, everything, okay, good, I like that. But my most favorite part of the whole flying thing is takeoff. I love takeoffs, and I really miss them when I don't travel. So yeah, this is a takeoff part, and let's see. I'll show you guys. So we take off together. Let's go, it's takeoff time, and let's start our journey to Azerbaijan. And it is slowly the plane's picking up. Looks really exciting, feels exciting, and I love this. Yay, the plane takes off. Screaming like a kid. But yeah, I mean, so the plane takes off very smooth. Honestly, didn't even feel like a takeoff. It was so smooth. So yeah. So here I am taking some aerial shots from above, from the plane, and as someone who works in real estate, these things look really amazing and interesting to me. So these random aerial shots are very interesting for me. So 3.5 hours later, we have arrived in Azerbaijan, and the sky looked really, it felt cold. It felt like there was kind of really cold weather going on over there. So many clouds, the sky looked covered, and here's the Azerbaijan, so green, and so many homes. From the plane looks really beautiful. Again, very green. You can see lots of trees and so much land. Very interesting for me. The roads look so clean and looks amazing. And here we are at the Azerbaijan airport, landed. Everyone's going out to the airport. So guys, actually I didn't make any videos at the airport because it's my first time and I just wanted to experience it. But here we are. So first impressions of Azerbaijan looks very interesting. Again, okay, so there will be a story time when I'll make a separate video for that, but this was a guy who picked me up from the airport, and again there was a bit of drama over there. But it was very interesting for me how things go on, and he was very helpful, and I'll make videos about this complete part, getting the taxi and everything. It was kind of so much going on, very new stuff, very new setup. So yeah, but it was very interesting. The guy was helpful, but there was kind of drama. But my first impressions of Azerbaijan are like, wow, the place is so developed. There are so many museums around. There are like modern cars, so many, actually interestingly, so many Chinese cars, and again the place is really green. It's very cold. This is literally so cold in Baku. This is actually by the hotel where I'm staying, and So cold. So cold. Oh my god. So let's go on our random walk. First impressions, the place looks, yeah, like new, something new for me. I mean, there's a mix of really modern cars and new cars, and the trees, they look like so kind of dry. Maybe it's because of the winters, I'm not sure, but yeah, yes. So this part actually really surprised me because like the shops were located in the same place where the garages were located, and there were hotels, and everything was all in all like together in the same spot. Here we are, we have reached a restaurant, a Turkish restaurant. This was a place where I ate the most, and in my future like other videos I'll show like why I ate here the most. But yeah, after we had our food, I found a taxi, and yeah, I said him just drive around for 2 to 3 hours. I just want to see the city, how it is. I didn't like step out. I just wanted to see what's going on, and how does the city function, and how does it look like, how the people are like. So again, all in all, the place looks really modern, and there are so many Azerbaijan flags all over the place, which looks really interesting to me. And the place is so clean, and again, very surprised to see so many. Oops, what was that? Okay, so really surprised to see so many new cars. I didn't expect that, to be honest. Yeah, but they were like very new cars. Another important thing which I discovered was that the petrol in Azerbaijan is so cheap, and that's why the cars are so common. People really like to buy their own cars, but it's so crowded. Oh my god, it's so crowded. Like even traveling for 7 to 8 kilometers is like a 30 minutes of journey, 30 to 40 minutes, whereas in our place in Abu Dhabi, it takes around at most like 15 to 20 minutes. So if you drive at 100 kilometers per hour, so it's really crowded, I felt, in Azerbaijan. But it was really interesting to me, something very new again. Actually, you know what? The traffic reminded me of Dubai. Sometimes, yeah, I mean, not sometimes, very often in Dubai the traffic is a lot. So, yeah. Wow, that was so fast. And I feel that's the bus lane on the right side. So, oh my god, so many cars. That's a mall, and they have Costa, and they have all of the fast food and coffee shops and everything. So there's literally everything in there. كله traffic. زيادة traffic. So actually the thing is, most of the people actually speak in Azerbaijani and Turkish and Russian. So yeah, the driver who was driving the taxi, he knew Arabic, so I knew Arabic. So we kind of spoke in Arabic, a few words of Arabic, few words of English. So that kind of made communication possible. Other than that, I'm still trying to figure out if I should learn Turkish, because I see like so many people speak Turkish and Russian, so I feel there's a lots of Turkish and Russian influence around, so which is again something new to learn. Wow, you see the whole place is just like so bright. I should have cleaned my camera, I feel. No, it's not the camera actually, it's the front mirror. And some donor shops. Again, traffic. Ta-da! So this was the first vlog, and yeah, see you guys in the upcoming video. See ya!